Hello, it's me and Mario here. I don't want some spaghetti. Hello, Mario. Panda Berry, what are you running here? Today, this afternoon, I'm working in IKEA. Really cool. Yeah, Mario wants some spaghetti. Oh, spaghetti. We should see if there's any spaghetti. Because we don't have a microwave. Being a worker of this IKEA, I take off all my clothes. You can have it. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go and buy a microwave. Mario is an IKEA worker. Oh, it's just you, Mario. What are you doing here? I'm an IKEA worker. That's what he told me. The worker there. Wow, you look an IKEA worker now. So, can you give me a new bed for me and Kissy Missy? Because the bed is old, but it's old and fluffy. And you want to do our stores? Please come with me. Okay. Wait a minute. This is not a bed, it's the chairs. You can buy any chairs in this store. I think I might go for bed. Will you take me to the beds? Sure, Mario is so happy for Huggy Wuggy. Aw, thanks for making me so happy. Shush. Stay. This, you've got to be joking. We need a new bed, not a new sofa. Not a new sofa, a new bed, please. Mamma mia, these things are real good these days are not good. They're all the lies. Not a new bench, a new bed. Oh no, Mario is getting the reactions really hard. Come on. Not a new living room, a new bed. Jesus Christ, Mario doesn't know the way to go to the bed. What? This? Oh, this sign? Come on, Mario. I need to get a new bed, not a new sofa. What about the bed? No, not a new location, a new bed. Ooh. Not a new drink, a new bed. Oh, no, Mario is having stomach blues. If you don't find me a new bed, I'm gonna leave. Tell Kissy Missy. I'm trying. Okay, you're trying. Where do you go? This is all this time? Finally, a new bed. Thank you. Hello, Mario. Hi. Hi. What do you need? I need a new bed, and Huggy took it. Yes. Well, today, all they say, broken gets hard. Broken doesn't get hard with you, Mario. So, I'm gonna leave. Hello, Mario. Hello. I need a new table and a new chair for my kids. So, can you help me? A new table with kids. Oh, I can take that. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Did you see when he took a table? Yeah. Hey. What? You want to play a game? I love to play games. It's called Finding Spaghetti for Mario. And who gets the biggest store remains. Now. This means food war. This means war. Bed attack. Cypher attack. Stop fighting. Maybe we can get back. Maybe we can follow Mario in his hopes and dreams. Follow me. Wait a minute. Oh, the light is night. We don't want to be a night. Let's leave this session. Come on. Let's try another way for Mario. Oh, come on. Night? Oh, no. We don't like night. We don't like it. We don't like night. We want day. Fast. We want day. Oh, yes, it's come today. Let's go find something for Mario when he likes the most. Mario, Yeah, baby, that's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm waiting for. Yay, it's time to eat spaghetti. Burgers, I should take those instead. I love burgers. Oh, tasty amazing. Look. I was going for the last burger. Donut. A donut. A donut. Yay. Pizza. Pizza. I need my children. I need my children. Let's go to the exit. Mario's. It's so exciting. Oh, the head, oh. Alright, let's get out.